Today we're making a delicious ranch steak and veggie skillet, which combines tender steak bites, crispy bacon, potatoes, and fresh green beans, all brought together with a savory ranch seasoned broth.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
Starting with your choice of steak, I'm using a mix of ribeye and sirloin today, but you can use what you have on hand. Rinse, pat dry, then cut into bite-sized chunks. Drizzle with avocado oil and season with salt and pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, thyme, and rosemary. You want to cover and let them sit for about 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to really soak in and helps the steak come closer to room temperature for better searing. Next, peel and cube about 3 potatoes. Let them sit in water to prevent browning. I'm using a 16-ounce bag of fresh green beans. Trim the ends, rinse, and set aside to drain. Place your pot of water on medium-high heat and cook potatoes for 8 minutes to give them a head start. After 8 minutes, place them on a plate temporarily. In the same water, add your green beans and cook for 8 minutes. Then place them on a plate temporarily. Now in a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of avocado oil over medium-high heat. Add your steak bites and sear for about 3 minutes without moving them. Aim for a nice crust. After 3 minutes, flip and add half a stick of unsalted butter, 2 smashed garlic cloves, 2 sprigs of fresh thyme, and 2 sprigs of rosemary. Let the butter melt and baste the steaks for a rich flavor. Cook for another 3 minutes, then place on a plate temporarily. Clean your pan, then add 12 slices of bacon cut into bite-sized pieces. We want to cook this until crispy, then remove and drain. Keep the bacon fat and add more oil if needed. Add 1/3 of a diced onion, mix for about 15 seconds, then add your potatoes and let them brown beautifully. Resist the urge to stir too much to get that perfect golden crust. Once golden, add back the green beans and toss everything together. Then stir in half a stick of butter. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Add 3 minced garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of thyme, 2 teaspoons of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 packet of ranch seasoning, which gives it that extra savory punch. Now pour in 1½ cups of beef broth, bring to a simmer, cover and cook on low heat for about 15 minutes. In the last couple minutes, reintroduce your steak bites, stirring gently to combine. Add your crispy bacon and top with chopped parsley. After plating, I like to top it off with more bacon and parsley.
And now it's time to give it a try.
The flavors are incredible. Savory with hints of garlic, herbs, and the comforting ranch seasoning. The steak is tender and juicy. The potatoes crispy and golden. And the green beans add a fresh touch. It's a balanced, crowd-pleasing dish that's perfect for any dinner.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking!